25 वर्सां पूर्ण जाल्या ह्या सुवाळ्याक तुमकां सगळ्यांक मनासावन येवकार.
निरंतर अंधेरी गलियों में जो हम भटक जाएं, तेरे उजियारे से मन की प्रज्वलित हो आशाएं। मुश्किलें आए तो साथ निभाना शामो सहर, दीप तुम जलते रहना यूं ही निरंतर। तूफानों के काफिले आएंगे गुजर जाएंगे, कोशिश होगी तुम बुझ जाओ चुभेगी हवाएं। विश्वास के बल पर तय हो जीवन का सफर, दीप तुम जलते रहना यूं ही निरंतर। अपने लौ को सदैव मध्यम ही जलने दो, अपने लौ को सदैव मध्यम ही जलने दो।
1983, 84, I was there in the association. Tournaments were happening only in Janta Vachanalaya, and I was being told by Vidi Chogule, who gave the place for this Goa Chess Association for playing. That place we used till 2005, and then there was some dispute between municipality and the Janta Vachanalaya. We had to shift from there. Janta Vachanalaya is most remembered by our old players. Saturday, Sunday we used to meet there. 2013, I just take you further. Bhakti became first woman international master. Taking chess as a profession, or by that time, Bhakti was the first to take a step, and her parents supported her. That was the beginning for Goan chess. 2012, she has become a WGM, and 2013, our first international master arrived, Bab Anurag Mamal. We thought that it would stop there only. Goa is a small place, no facilities, no coaches, and it was very difficult here. Around 200 players moving here, there all the time. So we were just wondering. 2002, June, our Honorable Minister, that too era Chief Minister, but he was first to support Goa Chess Association with 50 lakhs to do the World Junior in Goa, 4th World Junior. That was the most memorable event for Goan chess, though I was not there in that time in the chess. 2007-8, we were just reviving. There were some problems about our registration. We are not renewed. Government has stopped our grant, and that time Samir came into picture, Samir Salgaonkar. He started helping the players. He was giving them laptop, a lot of support. 2009-13, there were certain things. New team came into picture. We got all the renewals and all the issues settled. We did our income tax renewal. We did our registration with the registrar. And 2012, before that, we had been told by our federation, now you cannot go on singly. Stop that life members and come out with 12 talukas for each taluka association, for each talukas.
I am delighted that the founder president is here to witness that how the institution has grown this far, and this honor is available for very few people in the institution. 40 years later, he is here to see the growth of the institution. I am associated, fortunately, as official of ASF with Goa Chess Association for a very long time, and Goa always had a good chess culture. The kickstart, the development program started more on the school kid side when my friend Mr. Samir Salgaonkar became president of Goa Chess Association in 2007, and from there on the Goa Chess Association never looked back. Today they have a chessing school. The only chessing school program properly started in the country is done by Goa Chess Association with the Vidya Prasarak Mandal school institutions. President is of course Shri Nilesh Kabraj in a short period has done wonders in Goa Chess Association, and I congratulate him.
खरें म्हणजे गेली 40 वर्सां गोंया भितर बुद्धीबळ खूब फुडें पावलो आनी देशा भितर आमी वेगळें नांव एक निर्माण केल्लें आसा. हेजे भितर सगळ्याचेच खेळगडे आसात, त्याच बरोबर जे बुद्धीबळ संघटने खातीर वावुरले तेंचेय बी काम आसा. आतां आमचे बाब निलेश काब्राल हें काम फुडें व्हरता. ह्या समयाचेर तेका हांव शुभेच्छा दिता. त्याच बरोबर आज जे खेळगड्याचो हांगसर भोवमान जातलो तेंकांय तेंच्या लायफा भितर तेंकां आनीक उच्च स्तराचेर ते पावचे, तेंची प्रगती जावची अशें देवा कडेन मागता. शेवटाक नातलाच्यो सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिता, नवीन वर्साच्यो शुभेच्छा दिता आनी म्हाजे 2 शब्द सोंपयता. सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
For the 40th anniversary, we have amongst our midst our Honorable Rajya Sabha member and BJP President of Goa, Shri Vinay Tendulkar ji. We have with us come all the way, making time for us, Shri Ravindra Dongra ji, President of Asian Zone. We have along with us the founder president of this association which I am heading right now, Shri R.V. Rao sir. We have with us on the stage left and right hand of mine who support me in all activities of chess, who take my tantrums ahead, because as politicians we have some tantrums, and who take along with the right spirit my own secretary Shri Kishore Bandekar ji and my treasurer Shri Vishwas Pilarkar, and also the local today's host Taluka's president Shri Mahesh Kandulkar. Well, there are a lot of things which I would like to say today, and as I have been saying, we have entered the 40th year of this big chess family. This big chess family is why I say, because as an MLA I have witnessed a lot of chess tournaments. I have also been part of, I see Sanjay here, I see many of my Taluka associations, and I have been associating them for last many years in organizing chess tournaments in my constituency. And when they organize in my constituency, I see the spirit within them then that they would do and take chess to a different level. Today when I came to this organization, I have seen the spirit in the other 11 talukas also. The same spirit they have in taking, their motive is only to take chess to a different level. And that is what I am very proud to say, that associating with these people gives me immense pleasure, because that is what they are. Commitment towards meeting, commitment towards taking chess to a different level. They have, as we all know, past presidents are here with us, past members who are there in the association, they are all with us. They have done their bit of it, and they have strived to take chess to a different level. But as we have come across, we have seen the parents of the youngsters today, the young boys or girls or the parents of supporting them, they are the major factor in taking chess ahead. Because as we all know, we have to get rated players. It is not only organizing the game in the state of Goa or nationally. They have to go to international levels, and for that, the parent of the child supports them so well, and I am really proud to say that they have their own financial resources. Okay, we have few of us who support them, but they are the first people who take them forward, and this is what I salute all the parents who have taken their young children to a different level and given not only accolades for the state of Goa, but for the chess in whole in the nation of India. And I really support, and I feel my moral support is with them, even though I am not supporting them in any other way, but our whole, the group, the full group of chess are indebted to you to take and say that is why today we are all here, because of the efforts of the parents of the children. The political side, in each side he has supported. Fortunately, we have two politicians with him right now who are associated, who were, and he is still associated, and I am associated. And I hope that he will support us in future events of this, of the chess tournaments. We are fortunate to have a nice sports minister, who young to be saying, who helps us. Recently, I think we are going to hand over the check also to our grandmaster, a 5 lakh check, which has been given in time form by the government of Goa to support youngsters to go forward, which will be presented shortly to his parents because Anurag Babu is not there with us. But it is not that the government is not supporting chess, but they support chess when they go to a different level. But the parents take their young ones, I have seen them coming in morning till evening and keeping them ahead of things. I can hear a siren, I think he's on his way. Anyhow, we will welcome him as he comes when I speak. But I would like to take recognition for all the young players who have been here and taken us to a different level. See, the first GM, Sri Anurag, we have Bhakti's parents, Bhakti Kulkarni's parents here, Bhakti, first M. Bara, Amay, Nitesh, Riya, young CM Leon, Gunjal, Swera. These are the young names who are being focused in, and then some of them are here. And I am really proud to be with them because they are the future of Goa and they will be role models for the chess to school, what we have started with the help of GVMs, and many other schools will follow. And this is the role models which the youngsters will see when these young players go to achieve different levels. Well, to support us for this cause, there have been many players, there have been many business houses who have done over a period of time. But a special recognition, I feel, because I know of the Head of Affairs, Srinivas Dempoji and our Dilip Salunkarji, who has been really giving some sort of committed support.
600 traffic policemen, but we have already got more than 1,000 people who are watching you very carefully and who are photographing you if you are violating the law. So don't violate laws. You may get challan because someone photographed you. Already around 10,000 photographs loaded. So much response that we were unable to cope up with it, and now working on a back end to ensure that things happen. In fact, the first two won 28,000 rupees, and that means he got 2,800 points and earned that much money. We have also declared motorbike, car, 2 motorbikes, 2 cars every quarterly as a draw of lot on the Sentinel people who become successful. But more idea is not number of challenge. More idea is to ensure people start behaving as per the legal provisions. That's all. We want people to ride properly, safely, and the state will attempt to come to 0% death, though it may not be easily possible, but stepwise we can reduce. Anyway, that was equally important, so I went and came here. Chess, a lot of people think that I have two things, wrong interpretation about me are there. Number one, because of film festival was brought by me, everyone thinks that I am a fan of movies. I don't see movies for months. IIT, yes, because those were the days. But nowadays I don't get time to see any movie, and hardly any movie except few keeps my interest there for 1.5 to 2 hours. So though I am not so much fan of, in fact I can't recognize many of the heroes and heroines. Heroines more difficult, they all look alike. They may look good, but they all look alike, so it's very difficult to identify which heroine is playing in a particular movie unless you see the movie time and again. I don't do that. That is one wrong notion. And second wrong notion about me was that I must have been a very good chess player in my school and college days. I have not done the, I don't know what you should do. I have not touched chess board in my life except for such events. I have not played so far, not even a trial. No, people think that I play chess or I will be very good in chess because of two things. One is my IIT background, where 75% of my classmates were experts in chess. And the other one is because on politics I am successful. Then I started asking them, what is that you think? They said that you make a perfect move like a knight. ताजे हरको तू perfect move करता. Camel, हेवटेच्यान तेवटेन होता. हाँ? Okay, whatever it is. हत्ती असत, रूप म्हणटा. उंटा आसा. घोडो उंट ताका बिशप म्हणटा इंग्लिशीन. घोडो उंट सगळें जें कितें आसा जें मुवमेंट आहा पळय ते प्रत्येकाची आपापली ठरलेली मुवमेंट आहा. पण हांवें तांकां सांगलें ते वांकडे तिकडे मुवमेंट आहा तांचे खरें. People think that I do this kind of movement because their own movement is crooked. I go straight. तुम्ही imagine करा, if someone travels straight and the other person travels in a zigzag way, the person who travels in zigzag way, he will believe that he is traveling straight and the other one who is traveling straight is actually doing a zigzag. It's called as relativity. And this relativity results into this kind of feeling amongst the people. And maybe I have done a lot of checkmates, so that may be another reason why they think that I am good in chess. But I can say one thing, honesty really pays. You be honest, I don't lie. It makes me very difficult with the media sometimes. I don't lie, so now after going to Delhi I devised a very good technique. Just keep quiet, keep smiling. If you keep smiling, they can't stop from showing you. But if you don't respond, they can't get any concrete material to create chaos. So that's the way I go about, think about chess. But chess is very good for mental health and development of student. And though I had no one teaching me chess in the childhood, you have to develop patience for it. For me to sit for more than 10 minutes in one place is almost impossible. So how do you sit for hours? But I know all the big chess grandmasters, and I used to keep a very close track on Russian and American games which used to happen in my childhood. Boris Spassky, and there was a famous game which went on and final. The first time Russian lost. Bobby Fischer, right? Bobby Fischer and the Russian grandmaster. Till then Russia was virtually invincible. It has been always the best in chess. But this was the first time when Americans managed to snatch it. So I remember those childhood things. But I think it should be promoted because mental health is a very good aspect, outcome of the chess. And I would say that chess I had supported earlier, and I'm he is quite smart. The reason I understood why he is waiting for me. They are going for a grandmaster. So there must be some big fat check he is expecting from me. We would do it. We would do it for the game. And let me hope they succeed in attracting. It has 2-3 angles. Events, in 2002, I started the concept of event tourism, wedding tourism. These are concepts started. We had promoted certain events for which I was criticized that time, that I am wasting money. But actually the idea is very simple. When you host an event, a lot of people who come here, stay here, see the beauty here and remain latched on for years thereafter. So the number of tourism increase is mainly because of that. So we see it also as a tourism event, and I hope them well. Thank you very much.
Today we are gathered here for the 40th year celebration cum felicitation of GCA, and it is very proud moment for us. The journey has begun 40 years back when a few chess lovers came together and formed All Goa Daman and Diu Chess Association, which was then renamed as Goa State Chess Association, and finally it is now Goa Chess Association. On behalf of GCA, I take this opportunity to express our gratitude and propose the vote of thanks. Tremendous love and support of the chess fraternity and well-wishers is overwhelming. First and foremost, I would like to express gratitude towards the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Manohar Bhai Parrikar, for gracing this occasion. I thank Sri Vinay Tendulkar, Rajya Sabha member, President of BJP, ex-President of GCA, for sparing his valuable time. Thank you, sir. I thank Sri, our own President and MLA, Sri Nilesh Kabral. His dynamic leadership, motivation and guidance is leading towards the golden days of chess for Goa. Thank you, sir. I thank Sri Ravindra Dongre, President Asian Zone Chess in School Commission, as he has come all the way from Mumbai to be part of our celebration. Thank you, sir. I thank my friend Sri Kishore Banekar, Secretary GCA and Treasurer AICF. Your hard work and efforts towards progress of GCA are inspiration for us. Thank you, sir. I thank Dr. Rao, founder president amongst us today. Thank you all the title players, medal winners, past president and secretaries, state champions who have honored our invitation. This event is the fruit of their contribution. Big thank you for all the office bearers of GCA, members and office bearers of all Taluka Chess Association. This 40th celebration certainly shows our hard work and determination towards this sport. I thank each and every one of you and congratulate for the same.